Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a post on LinkedIn. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, you have to open the app, and at the bottom of your screen, you can see there's Home, My Network, Post, Notifications, and Jobs option. You have to tap on that plus sign that says New Post. Now you can see they're gonna take you to the Share Your Thoughts or Posting option. Now you have to select the photos, or you can tap on three-dot option and post media, template, event, celebrate, job, poll, document, or services. You can also share your thoughts. You can type in the caption for the post you want to make. Once you do that, you can tap on post at the top right corner of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you make a post on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.